All right. We're back. We're live. Let's see. Today is hold up. So today is February 4th. It is Wednesday. It's 9:30 already. Market has opened. Yeah. So at open, to get it quickly on, I am a little bit late. But yeah. At open, I'm looking for us to ideally be bullish. We already retraced down here. We have an SMT here with linear highs. And we have these two Asia and London lows here on ES. I mean on MES, just kind of sitting right next to each other. Fairly equal lows sitting right below us. I think it's definitely a great liquidity pool for us to take out. On top of that, there's session liquidity pools, while Nasdaq probably pushes down towards previously lows is a very high likelihood. So yeah, I'm looking for us to sell off here, ideally, and then yeah. Yeah, so I think I would want to. I probably would want to target Nasdaq for entries here, most likely. I feel, especially with the SMT in play, so far at least. Right now we are pushing that straight down, so that's very likely at this point. Now, um, yeah. So today we do have we had 8:15 news come in. We had 8:15 news come in, and then we do have 10 a.m. news, PMI news coming at 10 a.m. as well. Yeah. And also, I haven't been trading last 2 days. Well, for two reasons. One, price action has been kind of bad last 2 days, if I'm honest. We literally just pumped and dipped last 2 days. We just shot up a bunch of points and then came back down a bunch of points as well. So and there was no retracing pretty much. So there wasn't really anything to do with that. And so yeah. Mm. With that in play, yeah, I haven't taken any trades. Another reason, another thing is that unfortunately, I basically discovered that I don't really have a proper functioning model. I think I've been finding a lot of gaps and holes in my model, quote unquote model. I've been trying to improve it to adapt. It's been very difficult. I think I hit a new problem, so it's probably going to be something I'm going to address. And so actually very likely is that I am going to be hopping off of funded soon enough. I think right now all I want to do, I mean, if I pass the funded, cool. Though I doubt I am, but if I pass the funded, cool. If I don't, then I'm definitely gonna go. I mean, either way, I'm gonna go. I'm probably gonna go back to just studying and practicing up because I think I gotta figure out something which I haven't yet. I think the model I've been using late last couple weeks is a little flawed. So I definitely gotta relearn things. And so that's what I'm gonna be doing most likely. I'm probably gonna go back to studying up, to back testing more, to just trying to figure things out. And yeah, unfortunately, that's gonna be the case here. And I think I just had to figure out something more profitable, something that functions a little bit better, and then see from there where it is that we head. Um, but yeah, about that. And yeah, so hopefully, hopefully we get a better price action today. We'll see though. Dun, 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 dun. At open, we pretty much shot up down a little bit. Um, Based on the current model I'm running, what I'm going to be aiming for is probably once again form some form of FEG, which we can retrace into, and then from there just maybe shoot back down, find an entry inside the FEG probably. But like I said, there's a lot of stuff that I'm still working on, haven't fixed up yet. So I gotta figure out what it is that I gotta do. Mm. So we technically did take out Asia lows and London lows here, but we did break below it. We didn't have any large displacement away from it, so I don't really see us trying to pump up right now. I think we want to continue to sell off most likely. Right now, we just came to like this zone right here. I don't know if it's gonna apply the same way. Ugh. What we do is we have, I don't know if it's relevant, but an SMT here, a small SMT with its high we generated at open. We take it out here. We don't here on Nasdaq, and then we begin to push away from it. Ugh. Yeah, so most likely because after this, I think after this after today, maybe I'll record next 2 days for just to end the week. But I think right after that or after this, whichever one, which however I see, I'm gonna hop off, fund it, and then just go straight to study and back test more and just try to comprehend things a little bit better from that point onwards. See where I get, see where it leads me, and then hopefully I can figure things out a little bit better because I think I hit that stage pretty much where I basically uh find out it's not that easy, I guess, and so gotta rewire again. Hopefully, learn a little more, and yeah. Right now, what I'm looking at as a potential entry, maybe, is I'm looking at this. So we have an internal SMT form here, right? This previous 5 minute high gets taken out on the S&P, not on Nasdaq, correct? And if this holds, and then we show potential um reversal here, I might be looking to take shorts, possibly. I know usually I do like change a character, but there's a possible IFEG entry here if it does choose to hold in this case. Maybe. Yeah, these were equal highs here too. Not to consider equal highs got taken out. And mm, 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 mm. I may be looking at this as a possible entry here. Maybe, maybe. Or as previously lows, possibly. You have a higher SMT here. Still in play. Here, here, here. Technically, following my model, we have an SMT here. So technically, we do sweep up a high technically. And I guess we would want to see us break below this low, see a possible change and a possible entry. At which point an entry would be something along the lines of here, here, and here. Maybe more of like, maybe more here for a better RR. I'm gonna take the entry just to prove if this does, or not to prove, but to show maybe does this, if this does work or does not work, and I'll see from there what it is that we do. If we break below, I'm gonna look for tick entries with 3 contracts, but we'll see what happens. I think we're definitely getting ready to like take these levels out. We have a lot of generated sales liquidity here. We got on the S&P. I'm hoping we just want to take this out soon enough. I think I might still look to take shorts with on at this level, most likely. Let's see what happens here. Either I'm gonna get cooked or I'm gonna cook. Ah, really? Well, Tradovate is not working. Surprise, surprise. Um, yeah, okay, so well, in that case, I can't really trade, so I'm not gonna be trading today. Surprise, surprise. And honestly, I'm probably just gonna hop up the charts. Well, in this case, just explain real quick. Um, we have a 5-minute SMT here, right? We have a lot of generated sell side liquidity sitting here on the S&P, which I want to begin to see a sell off. Here we break below this low, correct? You have a change of character occur on Nasdaq, and then I want to see us retrace into this zone, which is essentially an order block. Retrace a different entry, and then from there I want to see us trail down towards the 5-minute low and ultimately previous day lows, with the 5-minute low being the break even point, and then the target being previous day lows. That's generally the idea I want to run, or how I genuinely would trade. And yeah, so if anything else, maybe see pan out, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, I don't know. But that's what I would have done. So ideally, I actually would have probably been looking at this 2-minute. This 2-minute was the proper swing here, and we do get a 2-minute break here, but I wouldn't have gotten an entry on the 2-minute. The 1-minute is the only one that had an entry for me here. We break below it, we re-enter into the zone, and then from there we push back down. At this point, I'm just waiting, or I would have been waiting. We're close to taking out. Actually, no, we do take out these lows here on the S&P. But either way, I'd be looking for us to keep on selling off, especially because liquidity is sitting right below us. Also, we have all this generated sales liquidity here we had here. Yes, we did take it out, but I'm pretty sure we're going to want to continue to trail back down in this case. Looks like maybe we're rebalancing right now from this high to this low, possibly. right here would be my break-even point, given that this is where the 5-minute low is, or would have been my break-even point. That's the 5-minute low sitting right here. And I would want to just, I mean, I'm pretty sure I want to see us run down here. Right now, Tradovate is not working, so I would have been in a trade right now, but Tradovate is not working, obviously. Um, but yeah. So this is where I would have gone break even, and then I would have let it run towards previous day lows as my target. So at this point, it would have been a break even trade. So no wins, no losses. Just see how it pans out, how it plays out. We did take out London lows here on the S&P already. It's possible that we might be looking for us to what do you call it, to maybe begin a reversal, possibly. Although I do think we want to take out Asia lows first. At least hopefully we do. Just expand down a little bit more and then from there pump back up. There it is. So this trade would have worked out. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to take an entry here. I think I would have gone in with like 500. I probably would have left with like about 5 or so as well, give or take. Um, but yeah, that would have been my trade for today, based on the model that I currently run. I still do think I gotta do some tweaking, gotta do some working on, because I feel like my model has merit in some extent, maybe. But aside from that, it's been a little bit difficult to actually like run it properly. So I would have been off the charts here if I had taken this trade in actuality. Right now the trade up isn't even working, so I can't do anything about that. I missed a trade regardless, it doesn't matter to me anyway. But yeah, that would have been my trade for today. Um so what I think I'm gonna do is I might what do you call it? I might record next 2 days, but after that I think I'm gonna be heading out and backtesting more on this strategy. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't, I don't know. But I'm gonna go do that. And also I am going to maybe forward test as well. Maybe still hop on the charts to see what's what. But likelihood is I'm gonna be unfunded temporarily only if or like trying to get funded temporarily. Only this account will funded next. After that, I'm probably gonna just backtest more. So that would have been 500 bucks on a day. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get it, but it is what it is. And I think it's gonna be it for me. Um, for Road to Funded, most likely, and hopefully, by that next time I come back, I'm a little bit better and a little bit better suited for stuff. But yeah, with that being said, technically I would have made 110 minutes, but I mean 30 minutes, but it is what it is. So next time, deuces.